In a world saturated by radio frequency signals, being stealth is paramount. Amidst the chaos of electromagnetic waves, a quiet revolution unfolds. Hidden from the prying eyes of traditional surveillance lies a cutting-edge, undetectable, and unjammable LiFi network connecting a remote mobile command center. Undetectable, cableless, high-speed beams of invisible light provide a backbone for critical communications. Inside, LiFi connects warfighters, merging speed with stealth and rapid mobility. Above, drones become eyes in the sky, flying under the radar, literally. Each mission, each maneuver synchronized by invisible light. As the battle space evolves, so does the network. Mobile, modular, and multidimensional. Our LiFi technology, illuminating the path to a new era of defense communication, utilizing wireless fiber optics. Terra Ferma, wireless fiber optics.